Hey everybody, happy Thursday. It's Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and I'm super excited to be here for day 4 of our patriotic lives for my tiered tray that we're going to do at the end of this week. We have had so much fun so far, y'all, for real. We have made this USA sign. Boom. Whoa, I hit myself in the face with it. How cute is that? This is one of my favorite projects we've ever done. I just don't know why, but I love it. We made that. We made firecrackers. We made woodblock firecrackers. Here they are. This is one of them. Y'all, we've done a lot of fun stuff this week. Seriously. And then these are the other two. Sorry, I don't have that much room up here. So we've made these little woodblock firecrackers. We made the USA sign. And we also made this set of 3 streamers, y'all. Like, really fun little streamers. All for our tiered tray. Let me get this one. USA! So, we made all 3 of these this week. And today, and if you know anything about tiered trays, or even, whoa, shoot, just knocked that off. Then you know they need to be a little bit smaller items. That's just, you know, to go in a tray. So, all 3 of these are, you know, made for a tray. So, today we're going to make 2 more items for our tray that are kind of like, just little like extras, like little sign things, okay? And I think it's gonna be really cute. I am going to, okay, so this, let me just tell you a little bit about this little chalkboard, okay? So, anyway, this is a chalkboard that was actually, it had, like you could see on the back right here, where it had twine. It was, an actual hanging chalkboard from Christmas time at Hobby Lobby at one point, okay? So, this was a chalkboard from Hobby Lobby that was a Christmas ornament. I took the back part off. All you gotta do is just take it off. And then left it like this so that I could use it for crafting. I don't want to use it as a chalkboard though. Because I just don't really use those that much. Posey, get down. But I have this little heart, okay? See this cute little heart? It's already been distressed. It's already white. I did nothing to it. I bought it like this from Michael's for 99 cents. So what I was thinking today was, wouldn't that be cute? In my chalkboard, but paint the heart red, white, and blue, and then glue it in here. Bing! Okay, so I've got my Admiral Blue. That's the color I've been using this week. Apple Barrel, Admiral Blue, and Red Apple by Apple Barrel. These are 50 cents at Walmart. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my spouncer. I've got like my, so there's a mini one. There's 3 sizes here that I've got. And I don't know if I'm even going to use all of them. But I'm going to use this middle one because I think it's the right size. So I dipped it in my paint, and I'm just going to gonna put, so notice how up here I didn't do the full circle. I let some of it hang out. You want to make sure that you're doing some of these where they kind of fall off the side, okay? Okay, so I did those 3. So I did one up here and down there because I'm going to do a couple red, or that's my goal. Okay, so let's go ahead and just put us a big old red dot. And see what happens. Okay. Oh, I think I have an idea here. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. You just got to go with it sometimes, okay? So this is right here. That actually looks better than I was anticipating because I was a little nervous. But here's what, I didn't want the little tiny ones. I felt like it could get too cluttered. But this actually looks really cute. But one thing I can do that I think would be really cute is on this red one, if I do like a little bit of a white on it, or if I add a little bit of blue, or I could just leave it like it is, because it actually looks really cute like this. But it could be cute to kind of add some blue or something over it too. I don't know. I'm just going to kind of see. Okay, so I'm just going to go for it. If it looks bad, I will literally fix it. But right here, I feel like we need a little bit of another color. So I'm just gonna try to take the same blue one I did and just kind of go right in the middle of this polka dot, y'all. Okay, I did it. I did it. Woo! So we did it like that. Look how cute that looks. Looks really cute. And I know that one is all that's different, but I don't really think it matters. I just think that looks really, really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. Like I said, it's my little chalkboard that used to be a Christmas ornament from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the back and go ahead and glue it in. And after I've had time to kind of think about it and see if I want to, we may go back and add blue polka dots inside the red like we did that one, okay? Because I don't want to mess it up. Sometimes less is more, but I don't know. We'll just have to see. Ta-da! We are done. We are done. And you can definitely, okay, so we're done if we want to be done, but we could also, you know, we could add a little bow. We could add whatever. So, I mean, you can kind of just take it, take it and do whatever you want with it, okay? So we have it like this. I love it. And I'll see if I want to do anything more to it or not, okay? I just don't know. So here we go. That's cute. So, and the thing is, it's cute enough sitting right here, but you have to think of things in terms of putting it all together at the end. So we're doing this on a tiered tray. That's what this whole week has been. And when you bring it along with everything, like here's our USA sign we did earlier. So we got this, the USA, we've got our sprinklers, we've got our firecrackers, wood firecrackers, all that. So when you start bringing it all together, it's gonna be really cute. Now, one thing that I think would really set this apart that I had not planned to do, but I really think I need to do, is to add some sort of ribbon. Now, I don't want a bow on this because we got bow stuff going in that tray already. I'm always all about polka dots, so that's probably the one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the red polka dot. That's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna go with it. And I think that'll be really cute to do it around the frame. Just add something extra to it. So let's just do that. I'm just really not using much glue because it's just not gonna take much glue. Oh. Here we go. How cute is that, y'all? For real. And you could, you know, that's really cute, I think. So, and just picture it in the tiered tray. Let's see. Okay. Now we're going to use this that I got from the Dollar Tree. This little wood decor. So, let's go ahead and paint this. I'm going to paint it white. And then, we'll go from there, okay? I'm going to try to do a star, but I am not like an expert star maker. I'm actually terrible at stars. So, I just don't know if that's going to work, but I guess we can try. Okay, let me get my paintbrush out. So, here it is painted, just white. I mean, nothing really to see here. And I'm going to plug in my blow dryer to dry this, just to get it faster, okay? Maybe it's just I just don't know. Like, I'm like, oh gosh, I'm live and I don't even know what I'm doing. Let's just try some stripes. Let's just hand draw some stripes and see what happens. I mean, what could possibly go wrong in here, okay? So, right here, let's just do like a rickrack design. Cute! Okay, see? Boom. That's cute. Okay, and let's kind of come down here and let's just do another one. Right here. And let's do another one down here. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. We're not done. Boom. How cute is that? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up that little hole at the top because I just think it kind of looks tacky. And I'm probably going to put like a wood bead on it or something. I don't know exactly, but I'm going to put something there because I just don't like it. Okay. Now, okay. So let's do some flat stripes too, okay? Now we're not worried about these being perfect, like I said. That's the part of doing stuff by hand. Okay, so this is what this looks like. How cute is that for real? The back part of a spouncer makes great tiny polka dots, okay? Because it's a circle. So I am going to put some white paint over here. And I'm just going to dip the back part of my spouncer in the white paint, okay? And then I'm just going to do little polka dots on my blue. That's cute. Okay. How y'all not tell me it's cute. I know. No, it really is cute. But one thing I do want to do is, oh dang, I already put it back in here. That's okay. I'll just use a different one. One thing I do want to do, and y'all know when I paint, I have to have highlights. I just have to. So the red needs some highlights, okay? So I'm just going to add a tiny bit of white. Thank you, Kimberly. To a little small paintbrush and just kind of do just a little bit of highlights on my red. Nothing major. But I'm just not one of those painters that can leave well enough alone. It's just, I'm not a minimalist painter, okay? Okay, so we added some highlights. I think it just makes it show up better. That's all I did. And then on the sides, I think I'll use my tiny spouncer and do some polka dots. So how about blue polka dots? So I'm just going to take my tiny little spouncer and do little polka dots on the outside. Okay, look how cute. Is this not just a fun whimsy piece for $1 from the Dollar Tree? So cute. Here it is, y'all. And you could add to it, do whatever you want. Honestly, I thought that I was gonna add something to where you did not see that hole in the top, but honestly, I just don't know that you really see the hole anymore once it's been all painted up. So I don't want to add anything to it because I just feel like it might take away. So we're just going to leave it like this. So this is what we've made so far. I still think that this one needs a little something, but this is what we've done so far for today, okay? I tell you what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to take the back part of this paintbrush, dip it in white paint, and make some little polka dots on the sides of these. Okay, so this is what it looks like now, just to show you what I'm doing. That's what it looks like now. And then on, let me make sure I got plenty of paint. Then on the sides, I'm going to just add some tiny polka dots. Okay, here it is on one of them. Look, that made a big difference, just adding those tiny polka dots. And so I like that. Okay, so let's get. Okay, that is all done now, but look how much better this looks with just those little polka dots.
Yes.
Made a big difference, for real. So anyway, definitely let me know what you thought about this. And I can't wait for tomorrow because we're going to pull it all together and it's going to be so fun. So make sure your friends are following. Make sure that you have shared this video. And be sure to tell me how you thought about it, okay? Y'all have an awesome day. I will see y'all twice tomorrow for the wood bead garland. That's going to be red, white, and blue. And then for styling all of these fun things that we've made in a tiered tray. I cannot wait. Okay, y'all have a good night and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.